basking in the sun. J is for jaguar, who loves to run.
K is for kangaroo, hopping around. L is for lion with a mighty sound.
M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for newt, hiding near the tree.
O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for penguin, waddling in delight.
Q is for quail, quick on the ground. R is for rabbit, who hops all around.
S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger, with a striped glow.
U is for unicorn, a magical friend. V is for vulture, on wings that bend.
W is for whale, singing in the sea. X is for Xerus, a squirrel full of glee.
Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear.